Alright, we are moving this nuke into their permanent hive. So it's the nuke has just got the 5 frames and they're moving into their permanent hive. So they'll have 10 and they'll have boxes to grow colony. So John is just going to lift these guys out and put them in the new box. The bees are a little bit upset right now, but they'll follow the queen. And just very carefully, beauty, very carefully put those in. Try not to disturb it too much.
I get a squished one. Oh.
Yeah, this is a beautiful big nuke. Oh, nice. One more frame to go. It goes.
I didn't see the queen.
Part 2. So the nuke box is empty, but we'll leave it here. See, it still has some bees in it, but they'll find their way out and they'll go into the main box with their queen. And John's just going to dump in as many as he can, and then any strays will find their way, and we just leave the box here all day today, and then tonight we'll be able to remove it.
We'll have to come check on it. Make sure the queen isn't in there. I don't see her.
Yeah. If they don't go in the box, we'll know the queen is not in there. That's how you tell. You can bang it and dump it again. But they seem to be staying over here. I think your box are good. And we're just going to add the other frames in. All of a sudden they're going to have a lot more space, which it looks like they are ready for it. Boy, they have really built up that nuke. Beautiful. Next box on top. They'll go up through. There we go. We've got a queen excluder above this, so she will stay in these two bottom boxes. And then the top goes on. Where they can put honey. And then all we have left is the lid. But yeah, they're not super excited. I'm sure the queen is in there, or they would be more upset. We have them in water as a moat to keep the ants out, because the ants are really bad here. Yeah, and then we just need a top lid and we're done. That is our top lid. So it's only been like 5 minutes since we moved them, maybe 10 minutes. And you can see how settled everybody is. They're coming and going. We put it in the same spot as the nuke was, so they know where their home is. Foragers coming in will be able to find it easily. We left the nuke box there. And you can see that it's pretty much empty. So they're not upset. So that means the queen is doing fine and she's in there. Everything's good. There you go. And I'll put a feeder out for them just because it's a new house and they're getting situated and everything. I just have it cooling off inside. Put it out tonight. There you go. A new beehive. They got lots of room. And they put some, see how they've got some bees sitting at the entranceway, guarding, guard bees. They're already getting set up, doing good. They've got their wings going, telling the other bees, see how their wings are just going like crazy? They're telling the other bees where they are, giving lots of information. See that? Beautiful dance right there, the wings are going, they got their butt out. Yeah. So cool.